Hey folks, it's Simon here with your daily newsletter for Wednesday, the 24th of April, 2024. I've been getting a lot of questions from folks about Bitcoin and the halving that's just happened. I know a lot of the crypto pumpers were claiming that this halving was going to be the greatest thing since, I don't know, the invention of the sandwich or something. You can't even see the halving on the chart, can you? And look, here's just some facts about Bitcoin that is kind of widely known, but perhaps not that widely discussed. All right, so the date of the last halving was the 11th of May, 2020. Now, by this time, 88% of total Bitcoin had already been mined. Fast forward to the most recent halving, 20th of April, 2024, and 94% of Bitcoin has been mined. So in other words, 6% of total Bitcoin supply was released in the last 4 years. So what happened to the Bitcoin price over the last 4 years? Well, let's zoom out and take a look. So if we zoom all the way back to, there's the last halving, right, around here at the 11th of May. And you can see we had the halving and then Bitcoin basically did nothing for a few months, and then it had a little dip, and then it had a massive rally. All right, so from that date, it rallied 657%, and then it collapsed 56%. And then it rallied another 140%, and then it collapsed 78%. And since then, since that low, it rallied another 378%. And remember, during this time, Bitcoin supply was released at a linear rate of 1.5% per year, but we saw wild fluctuations in the price during this time. So what this tells you is supply isn't what drives the price of Bitcoin, it's demand. Okay, you can see it's changes in demand for Bitcoin that drive its price way more than changes in supply. 1.5% released linearly is not going to account for these wild swings. The other thing to bear in mind is that everything is known about Bitcoin through its code, these halvings and so forth. And so to think that Bitcoin is suddenly going to rally because of the halving is a little bit naive because markets are just not that inefficient. Now, Bitcoin and crypto, it's not really my thing. If you really want to understand Bitcoin a little better and get some good ideas on where it could head, follow this guy on LinkedIn, Nathan Labby. He's fantastic. He does some great education and some great analysis, so make sure you add him to your follower list. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thank you.